Hi guys, welcome back. So today we are going to talk about commonly used idioms and its meanings. So what are idioms? Idioms are phrases which people use in everyday language which do not make sense literally. So the first idiom is hard nut to crack, which means a problem that is very difficult to solve or a person who is very difficult to understand or deal with. Example 1. Mary found knitting a hard nut to crack. Example 2. The third question in the examination is a hard nut to crack. My boss a hard nut to crack. The second idiom is go bananas, which means to become extremely angry or excited. It means you go crazy with some sort of emotion. Example 1. She will go bananas if she sees the house in this dirty condition. Example 2. The crowd went bananas when the concert began. Example 3. When the movie Frozen came out, kids were so excited about the song that it made them go bananas. The third idiom is cost an arm and a leg, which means be extremely expensive. Example 1. She saw a beautiful coat but it cost an arm and a leg. Example 2. You must visit that restaurant. The food is really good and it doesn't cost you an arm and a leg. Example 3. Clothes don't always have to cost an arm and a leg. The fourth idiom is to sit on a fence, which means when a person does not take sides in an argument or is hesitant to choose between two sides in a dispute in order to remain neutral. Avoid making a decision or choice. Example 1. You can't sit on the fence any longer. You must choose whose side you are on. Example 2. Either you agree or you disagree. Don't sit on the fence. Example 3. The politician did not commit himself to either side of the reporter's controversial question. He just sat on the fence so as not to lose votes from either side. The fifth idiom is a piece of cake, which means job that's simple, an activity that requires little effort to finish, very easy task. Example 1. They said the test would be difficult, but it was a piece of cake. I will pass with no problem at all. Example 2. This job interview will be a piece of cake for you. You have all the skills they need and I think you are absolutely the best candidate. The sixth idiom is it's raining cats and dogs. Something that you say when it's raining heavily, raining tremendously. Example 1. It's raining cats and dogs. I'm worried about how my kids will reach home. Example 2. The sky suddenly turned grey and it rained cats and dogs for 20 minutes. Example 3. The road gets flooded very quickly every time it rains cats and dogs. The seventh idiom is cool as a cucumber, which means calm even in difficult or frustrating situations. Example 1. I was petrified to take the stage, but Alice was as cool as a cucumber. Example 2. My boss is as cool as a cucumber even when he speaks in front of hundreds of people. The eighth idiom is once in a blue moon, which means very rarely. Example 1. That kind of chance comes once in a blue moon. Example 2. We go out to eat once in a blue moon. Example 3. Once in a blue moon, Eric will offer to help with the dishes, but usually he doesn't do any housework at all. So guys, by now you might have got a clear understanding of what idioms are. If you found this video informative and interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Bye!